Apple Wallet? And why is it becoming one of the most important apps on your iPhone in 2026? If you ever tap your phone to pay, stored a boarding pass, or use a digital ticket, you've probably already used it without realizing how powerful it really is. First, Apple Wallet is a digital wallet app built by Apple. It lets you store payment methods, tickets, passes, IDs in supported regions, and even transit cards, all in one secure place on your iPhone or Apple Watch. The most popular feature is Apple Pay. This allows you to make contactless payments in stores, apps, and online without needing a physical credit or debit card. Your actual card number is never shared with merchants, which adds an extra layer of security. Apple Wallet also stores boarding passes and travel tickets. When you book a flight or train ticket, you can add it directly to Wallet and access it with a single tap. No paper needed. You can also store event tickets, loyalty cards, and membership passes, making it easier to carry everything digitally instead of filling your physical wallet. On supported devices and regions, Apple Wallet can even store digital IDs and driver's licenses, adding another level of convenience. So what makes Apple Wallet powerful? It's not just a payment app. It's a complete digital replacement for your physical wallet. Everything is fast, secure, and integrated directly into your iPhone ecosystem. That's a full explanation of Apple Wallet in 2026. If this helped you understand how it works, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech explanations and app breakdowns just like this.